Hi, I'm Hanan and I'm here with Quench to talk about tools for people who will be using Serum for the very first time. But before we move into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. The first rule is to choose the right kind of serum based on two factors, your skin type and your skin concern. I have dry to normal skin and I have the perfect serum here with me. This Avocado Intense Brightening Serum helps improve skin texture, lightens dark spots and tackles dullness. And the best part is that it has ingredients like allantoin, arginine and hyaluronic acid which supports collagen, leaving your skin smooth and supple. Number 2. Use it at the correct time of the day. Serums are recommended to be used twice a day in the morning and in the evening on damp skin to help it penetrate deeply into your skin. Number 3. Follow it up with a moisturizer. Moisturizers have bigger molecules compared to serum, hence they create a barrier to keep all the ingredients in place. Also, let the serum sit on your face for 2 minutes and then follow it up with a moisturizer. Number 4. Never skip your SPF. This stands constant in any skincare routine. Never leave your house without SPF. So that is it. I hope you guys found the video helpful. Do like the video and share with your loved one. Bye. Sarangi.